This has some kick-ass sound, the One More True Wireless Active Noise Cancelling Earphones. This has been released a few days ago, and it is a high-end TWS earphones by One More, in collaboration with the 4-time Grammy Award-winning engineer Luca Bignardi and SonarWorks. You might have seen Luca Bignardi. He made some few words on the Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro. Alright, so let's unbox this. It is quite standard with One More earphones that they have the schematics drawn on the side, but this one is actually signed by Luca, so that's pretty good. It looks really nice. And in the middle you'll have the One More TWS earbuds. Let's take out the cover. Okay. Alright, so I do have the white one. There's also a black alternative color if you want to have that. And yeah, this feels like it has a rubber finish, so it won't easily slip on your hand. We're gonna check that out later. So let's see what else we have here. Alright, so we also have some extra ear tips just in case that you need the proper fit. And there is also a Type-C cable for you to charge the earphones. And at the bottom we'll have a sticker, a One More sticker, and also a QR code for warranty purposes, and also the user guide. It's multilingual user guide. Alright, so let's check out these earphone. It looks really nice. I can see in the front at the top is actually saying One More. It's in gold text, which is elegant. The white and gold is actually pretty elegant. Alright, so let's have a look. And on the front there is that indicator light, and at the bottom it's actually flat, so you can actually have it stand on the table, so it's easy for you to put on a table. And I would prefer that actually, rather than like just lying on the table. And then at the back there is the charger. So this is a Type-C port, and opening it we have the pair of earbuds. I've also noticed that there is a pairing button or a reset button in the middle of the charging case. Alright, let's have a look quickly on the earbuds itself. So this earbuds is said to have 3 microphones, and the touch base is actually quite shiny. I don't know if it's plastic or it is ceramic. It kind of looks like ceramic, but I don't know if it's a shiny plastic maybe. And there is like a gold ring around it, so that looks pretty premium, and it doesn't look very big for me. So I would need to change the ear tips because this is just too big for me. So I'm gonna change it to the smaller version and do some fitting test. And also I see here that there are like charging pins. This is to charge on the charging case, and there is also a sensor. So the sensor would detect if you remove the earbuds. It would detect that it's not being used, so it will automatically stop the music or video that you're watching. And then microphones, we have 3 microphones. So one at the touch base, and then the other one is somewhere near the for the ear tip, and then the other one is actually facing when you're putting it like that, it's actually facing the direction towards your mouth. So it looks good. I don't think it's pretty big at all. So we're gonna try to pair this, and we're gonna test using the earbuds. The One More EVO earbuds benefit from the Bluetooth 5.2. It is absolutely smooth pairing it with Google Fast Pair, letting you know as soon as the One More EVO earbuds are ready to be paired for the first time, a pop-up notification and a photo of your earbuds asking if you want to connect. Well, it's not every time you open the case that pop-up comes up. It's only on the initial pairing. I would say it's not the same as the Xiaomi earphones that it would do that every time you open the case or it starts to pair on your phone. But nevertheless, you can still see the better life on the actual Bluetooth connection. Alright, so I've already changed the ear tip to the much smaller one. Okay, so let me try putting it on. Let's try that. Yeah, so this is how it looks. As you can see, it's quite easy to fit, probably because I have the right ear tip, and also I don't feel it popping up even though I've opened my mouth. Yeah, I don't think it's quite stable, and it's quite like it fits perfectly on my ear. It might not be the same for everyone, but this is quite good. I like how it is being paired. I mean, I like how it fits on my ear. Let's try that. Look at that. It's not very big. It feels like I'm just wearing. It's not very. I mean, it's comfortable in the ear. You feel that it's there, but it's not uncomfortable. Like you can have an extended, or actually you can watch videos using these earphones, or you can listen to music for a long period of time, and it's not gonna make you uncomfortable over time. Okay, we're gonna test this with some songs, but unfortunately I couldn't really show it to you. So I'm just gonna explain to you how it is. But basically, the One More EVO is certified to provide high-resolution audio wireless thanks to its LDAC and the hybrid acoustic design that pairs a 10mm dynamic driver with a balanced armature and tuning of Luca Bignardi. Alright, let's give it a go. Ooh. Ooh. It's really good. The music is great. The sound is rich in bass. It has great treble. You can hear the good separation of the high and low tones, and it is. I mean, it feels like you're actually using those actual big headphones, and without that, the big thing. So this is pretty small, but the sound is amazing. Really, really amazing. So how about for gaming? Well, gaming with these earphones is pretty amazing. It feels like it has some gaming mode, but it doesn't. So it's still low latency. I don't feel that there is a big delay. There's still a tiny slight delay on its like the sound. It doesn't affect your gaming experience. Well, I can still hear the enemies walking, and you'll be alerted with these earphones. So it's still an immersive gaming experience using these earphones. Alright, let's talk now about the touch control. One thing that always draws me to the One More earbuds is the touch control scheme the company has pioneered, because for most earbuds, you accidentally pause your music and rip yourself into reality when you adjust the fit. One More has eliminated the one-touch method that won't happen on these buds, so the One More EVO earbuds require double tap on the glossy surface of the earbuds in order to pause your music. By default, a triple tap will bring up a digital assistant like your Google Assistant or maybe Siri. If you press and hold, you can switch ANC mode. The ANC and pass-through on the earphones on the One More EVOs are pretty good and allow for customization. You can change the strength of the ANC between this mode. There's a strong mode, the mild mode. There's also a wind noise resistance, and also there's an adaptive mode which will automatically do that for you. Strong is for busy streets and loud environment noises that requires the most ANC, and mild is generally for in-office use. And the WNR, or the wind noise resistance, is for when wind is hitting your earbuds. The fourth option is an adaptive setting that allows you to let your EVO earphones to choose which strength is necessary. And one more thing to be aware of is that if you are in an environment that's not really that noisy, you don't have to turn on the noise cancelling, because it does, once it's in your ear, is actually quite a good, it does really cancel most of the ambient noises, so it is pretty good in doing that without switching on the noise cancelling. Total battery life, if you turn off the noise cancelling, is up to 28 hours, and that's including charging with a case. If without, or if you actually use the noise cancelling, would be maximum of 20 hours. Making calls using this is pretty clear because it has an AI enhanced for calls. So it has triple microphone array with an AI powered DNN, or deep neutral network algorithm, detects and removes background noise, delivering unrivaled speech clarity and making calls on the move. And there are two ways to charge this. You can either charge it using the Type-C cable to your power or to a computer. There's a cable that comes with it from C to A cable, and also it supports wireless charging. It has a 10 watts wireless charging. You can just put it flat on the phone, or reverse charging on the phone, or probably on a wireless charging pad. So you just laid it flat, and like most devices that you have to put it like lying on the charging pad, but this is like standing because it has a flat bottom. So which is I like how it is because it feels secured. It's quite rubber. It has a rubber finish, so it won't slip or anything like that. And also at the time of this video, if you purchase this within the promo period, you get a discount of I believe $30, and also you get a wireless charging pad. So make sure you check the link in the description if you want to purchase this. This is really good. Currently it's priced at $169.99. That's in US dollars. So do check that out if you want to purchase this, and that is before the discount. Yeah. Other feature includes 32 ohm speaker impedance value, 20 Hz to 40 Hz frequency response, and this also has an IPX4 rating for protection from water and sweat. So basically it's a splash resistant, and it has 5 pairs of antibacterial ear tips. Well, overall I do love the design of this case. It's not very light, which is good. It's not very heavy as well. So there is a weight on it, so you don't accidentally lose it, because if it's too light then you might not notice that it's there, so you easily lose it. And probably the only thing that I would need is actually a cover or maybe a silicone case for this actual case. If not, because of its rubber feel and the rubber finish, it might have some stains, especially if you put it on the jeans. But I would know in the long run, I would want to keep it on its tip-top condition with its because it's white, it's easily gonna stain. But quality-wise, oh my god, it's pretty good. It's super amazing. The sound quality, the fit on my ear, and the noise canceling, even the calls. I would highly recommend having this if you have the budget for this kinds of earphones. So how about if we compare it with the Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro? How does it pair with that device? Well, that's gonna be for a next video. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.